Welcome to our very first lesson, the basics of the Japanese language with Monchan and his friends. The Japanese language uses 3 writing systems, plus 1 extra honorable mention. They are Hiragana, Katakana, Kanji, and Romaji. Okay, Romaji doesn't really count as a writing system, but it's good to know about it. Let's start with Hiragana. Hiragana is a syllabic system made up of 46 basic sounds. It's usually used to write native Japanese words and expressions, for grammatical elements, by children, and by beginners learning Japanese, just like you. Next up, Katakana. Katakana also has the same 46 basic sounds, but it's mainly used for foreign words and loan words, scientific terms, and adding emphasis. Now, let's talk about kanji. Kanji are characters borrowed from Chinese. Unlike hiragana and katakana, each kanji carries a meaning, and they're not always read with just one sound. For example, this one is yama, but also san, and it means mountain. We'll explore kanji in more detail in future lessons. And finally, Romaji. As we mentioned, Romaji isn't really a Japanese writing system. It's just the Roman alphabet, or ABCs. You'll sometimes see it in ads, brand names, or songs with English words. But it's not used in real Japanese writing. It can help when you're just starting out. But once you learn hiragana and katakana, forget it even exists. Do you want to ace hiragana? Here's an easy, fun, and kawaii way to do it. If you loved this video, you'll love Monchan's Hiragana practice book. It's full of exercises, fun videos, and vocabulary to help you ace hiragana in no time. Available now on Amazon.